Hey guys, back with another simple repair video. For today it's the JBL Control 2P. It's a set of compact powered monitor speakers from JBL. We've used this pair in the field successfully for several years now, usually on film sets, in the director's tent for playback and monitoring purposes. This pair still plays well actually. It's just rattling because of the damaged speaker foam, as you can see. Unfortunately, I don't have a before recording. I do have an after recording towards the end of the video, so look forward to that. But yeah, it's a relatively simple fix. You simply have to get the right speaker foam replacement for your speaker. In my case, I got mine from Simply Speakers. I'll put links in the description for this particular model and make. But I guess my tip for you guys, for those of you that want to do this on your own, you have to get all the diameters within 2 or 3 millimeter tolerance from your speakers. How do I know? Because I bought several incorrect speaker foam replacements where the outer diameter was just 5 millimeters off, or the cone diameter was 4 millimeters off, and trust me, they will not fit your speaker. So at least in my experience, you should have the outer diameter, the roll, the cone, and the inner diameter all within plus minus 2 millimeter tolerance from your speaker model, and you should be good. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.